So as I said, our focus when we started Lawpreneurs was to help law students in India understand the subjects that they're already studying. So we basically act as a complementary tool to what they're already learning in their college. Every student has around 50 law subjects that they have to study, irrespective of what law college you are from or what state you are from. It doesn't matter. These 50 subjects, every law student in India across those 1,300 law schools has to study. So we focused on that. As I said, when I was trying to find a platform, I didn't really find something that was focusing on students at the school level. Everyone was interested in providing them skills which they can use once they have graduated. No one was really paying attention to helping them understand the course. As I always tell, this is something I used to tell every potential subscriber I used to speak to, that we help you understand your foundation. It's only when your foundation is strong can you actually build a building. You cannot go and start building the top floors without having a strong base. So that's what we do. That is what we've been doing for the last 2.5 years, focusing on the subjects, the core and compulsory subjects that every law student in India has to study. We help them understand that through well-defined video lectures. We help them understand that through well-defined comprehensive set of notes. We help them understand. Our experts have even made the life of a student so simple by identifying a set number of questions that are asked in an exam for every subject, providing them answers for those questions as well, so that you get an understanding that if I get a question like this, how do I answer that question? Because law is a subjective course. It's a professional course. There is no right or wrong. It's how you interpret the section. It's how you interpret the law, and that is how you apply it to the question that's asked. That's what we do. We started with just video lectures and notes. From there, we realized that what if a student has doubts? Because these lectures that we have, these are pre-recorded video lectures. They've been done up in our studio, so that even though a student is sitting and listening to a recorded lecture, it doesn't feel like it was just shot in some classroom while the teacher was teaching, which you will find at a lot of channels on YouTube and so on and so forth. Even then, when a student is studying, he would feel that it feels like the expert is only talking to me. So while we started with that, we realized that there can be n number of questions that a student might have while studying those lectures. So then we started with live classes, where every week you would have 2 to 3 live classes, where we would discuss new amendments, we would discuss cases. If a student has any doubt, we would help solve those questions. We actually even allow the student to decide if they want a live class on a particular topic, because that's what we always say, that this platform is for students. We are a democratic country and the platform was made for them, so they are the end decision makers. Along with that, we even provide a facility of Skype, which connects the student directly with our expert. Every Skype session is for an hour. So it's more of a personalized, private, I wouldn't want to call it, a private tutor, but in a way that a student can directly speak to the expert. The expert can actually monitor the student's progress. And we've had a lot of students who've taken up our Skype sessions and they have seen value. For us, while providing education, while helping them understand is one thing, it's all about the amount of value you're able to add. If a student decides to come and join your platform, even while having, say, free platforms available, the reason they do it is because they see value. And that is at the heart of what Lawpreneurs really has to offer. These are the courses we offer, and it's common for all the students in India. So while you have a CLAT, which looks at the major national law universities in India, you have some entrance exams which are specific to the college. Whether you have one in Symbiosis, you have a separate law entrance for National Law University Delhi. While there may be different heads, the syllabus kind of remains the same. Say a National Law University may not have math, but you still have subjects like English, GK, logical reasoning, legal aptitude. And honestly, there is no strategy, there are no golden tips that I can give out. The only tip is practice, practice, practice. That is what even our experts at lawpreneurs who basically take up these law entrance subjects, that is what even they say at the end of every lecture, that the key to ace the entrance exam is practice, practice, practice. And even in that, we've grown up studying English. GK is one thing no one can teach you. It all comes down to your will, to how educated you want to be in terms of what's going on in the world. But the two subjects that really make or break your chances are logical reasoning and legal aptitude. Legal aptitude because it gives you an insight of what you can expect in law school. You have subjects like IPC, you have subjects like torts, you have subjects like contracts, where these exams really test your understanding, they test your knowledge. And this is something that, while you have a mixed school where they say that, you do not really need special guidance when it comes to law entrance exam, you can prepare it on your own. Not taking that away. There are students who do it, they are able to get into their law school, but majorly you need assistance and guidance from someone who understands these subjects. Logical reasoning, when you think about a subject like logical reasoning, you're like, it's all about logic. It's about using your brain. But it's not that simple. You have questions which really test your level of thinking in such a way that if you have not done it, if you do not know that this is the path you need to follow in order to really understand. Because practice is one thing. You can only practice when you've learned something. And learning that is very important, and that is what we do. Even when we have parents who reach out to us and they say that how do we prepare for law entrance, we tell them that, while we do prepare you for English, we prepare you for GK, we prepare you for math, our major emphasis, our major goal is on logical reasoning and legal aptitude. That is why our majority of life classes also that we do for law entrance on that. And the key, you ask me what is the strategy, it remains that you need to practice, practice, and practice. Because the more you practice, the more questions you solve. I honestly feel when I started Lawpreneurs, it was one man trying to build a platform. But for us, the only way you can get students on the platform is, again, who's going to teach them, your faculty. And I seriously feel that I've been very fortunate that during this journey on the way of creating this platform, we've managed to get such faculty on board who have given the students sitting in different districts of India a taste, a feel of what quality education is. Starting from our expert who has over 40 years of teaching experience. He's actually our most experienced faculty, Dr. Mahindra Kumar Bhandari. He was the first faculty we signed. At that time, he was the director of law at Kirat Mehta School of Law, which is a part of Nasi Manji. From him to having, deans of reputed law schools, to having a faculty member who did her masters from Cornell, who worked with the United Nations, to having experts who actually work with reputed law firms. So they give you that practical experience as well. One of our faculty members happens to be my ex-faculty member from Jindal as well, Professor Subrajyoti Gupta. He's worked with us. And that is what we even do. When a student comes on Lawpreneurs, not only do they get a chance to see the demo lectures or the student reviews, we've even made it available for the student to see who is their faculty, what has their faculty done, so that a student can make an informed decision. It is our faculty. I credit the success of Lawpreneurs to our faculty members.